Happy Halloween, everyone. Mike from Iron Nation Garage. We are doing a special Halloween special 2025 this year, and what are we sporting? A Lincoln Town Car, and I got FW Webb buckets as treat bags, as you can see. Oh, we got one here dressed up, ready to go, and then you can see we got pillowcases and we got those buckets. Lucas, say hello to everyone. And we're getting ready. Our neighborhood's pretty good. We got a couple close family and friends we got to drive to, and then we'll be in the neighborhood trick-or-treating. Take you guys along for the ride. Hopefully you enjoy it. It's a Halloween special on the Iron Nation Garage. All right, stay tuned. Check it all out. All right, thank you everyone for tuning in. All right, here's the setup. So because we go trick-or-treating, I got to leave some stuff out for the kids. So we'd put it at the bottom of the driveway here. Got a little sign here for everyone here. And because it's like a tornado up here with wind today in eastern Pennsylvania, I use the ratchet strap idea, okay? Right here, hold the candy down. All right, same over here. Hold it down. And you know what? It also stops some of the teenagers that like to take the entire Halloween bucket and dump it into their bag. So hopefully we can prevent that. And we got it set up, and we got a little bit of music here. But I can't turn the music on because we all know YouTube, they like to demonetize or do any of that or give me a copyright strike if you have music going. So I have that paused. We'll put the music on. Oh, and can't forget this guy right here. As my wife and boys call him Skelly. So well, I think we're all set. Are we ready, Elizabeth? What do you think? Say hello to everyone.
All set.
All set. Boys, you ready?
Are you trick-or-treating?
Okay. I think we're ready. We're going to start going. Starts around 6 o'clock here at night, but we got to go visit some family and friends, so it should be a fun night. Take you along for the ride. Thanks again. All right, here. Can you see okay, Luke? Hello. Trick or treat.
Hi, buddy.
Here's this bag right here. He's, what is it, Captain America?
Yes, cool beans.
Go ahead.
Look at you.
I'll help you with your gloves. Say trick or treat, Luke.
Trick or treat. There you go.
Thank you so much. All right, you say thank you.
Bye, buddy.
All right, guys, take care. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
All right, here you go. Hold the bag. I'll hold it for you. All right, back up to that Lincoln. Oh, Luke, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Sorry about that. Sorry, they didn't see it. It's right here, guys. Say hello. Trick or treat. Guys, it was right here. Lukey, they didn't see it. I'm sorry. Okay. Lucas, right over here. Grab one, okay? Just grab one.
I'll grab one.
All right.
Right here.
Did you say thank you? Did you get one? All right, right here. Here you go.
Yep, either one.
Here you go. Here you go. Grab that one. All right, and put it in your bag, okay?
All
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Have a good
Yep.
one.
Happy Halloween. What's that? I feel like the necklace is pretty fitting. Oh, there it is. All right, just pick one. I think it's good. What do we got here? All right, just pick one, okay? Careful. Just pick one. Pick one. All right, yeah, that's good. Now, hold on, Alex. Here's your bag. Here. Yep. Here you go, right in. All right, Luke, did you get one? Yep, let's go to the next one. All right, come on, guys. Okay, watch the road. All right. Doing good. Doing good.
I don't think that one is.
That house over there, that might be open. We're trying to determine which houses are... Sometimes people keep their lights off. You don't know which ones are ready. But yeah, a lot of trick-or-treaters out and about. So, yeah. Well, the night is over. The kids killed it with candy. And featuring the Lincoln again, what do we have over here? Who's this guy? Who made it in? Who made it into the Lincoln?
Skelly.
Skelly made it into the Lincoln. Boys, how'd you do on Halloween? Skelly made it in to the Lincoln.
Skelly's the real deal.
The real deal. Happy Halloween, everyone. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. The Halloween special on Iron Nation Garage. Quirky as anything, but I try to bring new stuff, different stuff. We're going to get back to cars and bikes and generators and anything and everything when it comes to the motor. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Shoot us a comment if you liked it. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Have a great day and take care.